Hey guys, welcome to Outdoor Tacos Kitchen. My friend and I are up here. We're looking for some shed antlers. We've got camp all set up and ready to go. It's been a successful trip so far. I had an awesome night last night in the truck tent that you guys have seen in my previous videos as well. It might look small, but check it out. We've got the Coleman here with our pans. We're gonna cook some awesome pork rice bowls today like we did in one of my previous videos. We've got this awesome kitchen kit that I got from Costco. It even comes with like a sponge, a rag, knives, spatula, even a little spice container here for everything that we're gonna do up in the mountains. It even came with some cutting boards. I brought along some dish soap so we can wash stuff tonight. I mean, check that out for 40 bucks at Costco. Has everything you need for a solo adventurer like me. We've got some cooking oil here. We got our bowls for our pork rice bowls. All the ingredients over here. This is gonna be so awesome. Like you guys have seen in the last videos, we've got the kitchen set up on my pull-out camper bed here. I store everything under these little cubbies here. Be sure to hop back and check out that video on building this thing and showcasing it to you guys. But be sure to let me know what you guys think of this little setup here. It's kind of a personalized thing for me and it fits my needs, and we're gonna test it out today. So let me know what you guys think. And if you guys are into this stuff, be sure to like the video, comment down below saying you wanna see more stuff like this. While we're letting that cook, quick reminder guys, I still have shirts. I still have some Outdoor Taco t-shirts where you can go to outdoortaco.com, snag yourself some t-shirts. I only have a few left, so don't miss out. These are gonna be a limited time thing only. Outdoortaco.com, go check them out. 20 bucks plus shipping. I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel and helping me out. You guys are awesome. Well guys, that was an awesome dinner. Now it's just time to do the dishes and clean up. It worked out really well for what we did. I'm super excited to use this thing on future adventures. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more.